A few moments later.
Good day to all of you. So my name is Lorenzo Aquiles and I'm a math teacher at the Kasidan International High School. I'm motivated to teach at Kasidan International High School. That's all. Thank you. Yun lang ba?
So, sir, what was the biggest challenge you faced before achieving success in your career?
Before, one of the most challenges that I encountered before I succeed with my career, maybe so one of the biggest challenges, maybe the experience from other job, and yung motivation ko is my family. That's why I have achieved this career.
How did you overcome failures or rejections you encountered at the start of your career?
Oh my God. Siyempre, one of the rejection when you are applying or first time applicant and first graduate din, di ba? Kag-graduate ko lang, so napakahirap talaga maghanap din ng trabaho at yun kasi pinaka-requirements minsan ng mga kumpanya na dapat you have at least 1 year experience. So that's a really a failure and rejection that I received before I've encountered in my career.
Were there times you wanted to give up? What if?
Number 3, so to tell you honestly, there are always a lot of times na talagang I really give up. Maybe because of the environment and the interests to pursue or continue my job as a public teacher. Maybe of course the system itself. That's one of the reasons na nandun yung word na give up. But still, I'm still thinking of to help our students to motivate, to inspire them to continue study and of course achieve their dreams.
Or what inspired
One of my biggest inspiration was my family. I believe that if you are working and your motivation and your goal is for the family, of course, it will help you to be more successful in life. That's my motto.
How did you maintain discipline and determination despite the obstacles?
Oh my God. Positivity and faith is really important for you to surpass all the obstacles or challenges in my life.
What is the lesson we learned from your mistakes that you like to carry on?
You know what? The lessons that I've learned from the past that I wanted to share to everyone is that you have to fight and think positively when the times that you are down, and of course you have to keep faith in God because it is really important to continue what life is all about and what is your purpose in this world.
How do you handle stress while navigating the pandemic?
Oh my God, I really handle that stress. I always think of my family. Sometimes I eat a lot of food during my stress, and sometimes I do travel, even local travel. That's it.
What would you say is important
experience, if I will going to share those experiences from my previous employment up to now, I would say that you must be faithful, positive at all times, and bring your dreams beyond your expectations.
What advice you have those currently facing challenges?
The advice that I'm going to share with those challenges or facing challenges or struggles on their own career, you have to create your career path and plan. You have to create your career path and plan. And what do you want, or what do you want to be, and what is your purpose? That's a really important when you are in your job or when you are in your own path of career.
Good evening, ma'am.
Lenny Manalo,
Good evening, ma'am. Lenny Manalo. What is your current job?
real estate agent.
Okay, I've prepared some questions for you to answer. Thank you for your time. So let's start with question 1. What was the biggest challenge you faced before achieving success in your career?
Lack of money, lack of medicine for my kids, and lack of everything like for my family.
Question 2. How did you overcome failures or rejections you encountered at the start of your career?
Continuous my goal, continuous na kaalaman para matutunan ko yung pinasa kong trabaho.
Question 3. Were there times you wanted to give up? What kept you going?
Yes, kasi may mga kasama ko na negative, may mga kasama kong positive, but kinontinue ko yung positive thinking ko to go my goal.
Who or what inspired you to keep pursuing your dreams?
My family first, then my husband na lagi nakasupport, then my kids.
How did you maintain discipline and determination despite the obstacles?
Don't buy everything or things na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan. Then, save money for important na mas kailangan mo para sa mga bata, para sa pamilya.
What is a key lesson you learned from your experience that you would like to share with others?
Continue to achieve your goal, continue learning, and continue positive thinking.
Wonderful. How did you handle pressure and stress while navigating the path to success?
For me, love yourself, trust yourself, na kaya mo makamit yung goal mo. Then continue and always pray.
What would you say the most important decision you made in your career?
Hindi ako nagsisisi na ito yung pinasok kong trabaho. Since ito naman talaga, sales ang gusto ko, tinutino ko, inaral ko, hanggang sa matutunan ko. And then, continuous lang para sa pamilya.
How do you use your experience to help or inspire others?
Share ko yung kaalaman ko, and then sinishare ko rin kung paano yung i-maintain yung dapat nilang matutunan. Continuous yung pagiging positive. Continuous lang na matuto hanggang sa pa-achieve mo lahat ng goal.
Lastly, what advice do you have for those currently facing challenges in their own careers?
Don't give up. Achieve your goal, and kahit na maraming stress, maraming problema darating, continuous lang and then positive. Pray to God to achieve lahat para sa pamilya mo. And then don't stress yourself, love yourself, and yun lang.
Thank you so much for accommodating our time, Ma'am Lenny. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much.
One day later.
Number 1 question. What was the biggest challenge you faced before achieving success in your career?
The biggest challenge that I face is that um, I didn't know the future job that I will be exploring. So since I'm an educator, when I was in my fourth year of college, there are many questions and there are many what ifs. What if I don't have the capability to teach, or what if I failed on my first year of teaching? And those are the challenges, the fears and the worries.
Number 2. How did you overcome failures or rejection you encountered at the start of your career?
Ayan. I overcome it by having someone beside me who encouraged me and also support me. Okay, they always say positive comments, positive message, and that uplift me to pursue what I want in the future.
Number 3. Were there times you wanted to give up? What kept you going?
The things that keep me going, first is my family, because they are the one who always supports me, and also myself, because I always tell myself that every challenges that I face, I need to have a positive outlook in that and don't focus on the negative side.
Number 4. Who or what inspired you to create to pursuing your dreams?
Okay. Um, who who inspires me to keep pursuing my dreams? Mm, I first one is my past teachers. Ayan, my elementary, high school, and professors. It is my childhood dream to become an educator, and they show me a good inspiration, yan. And also a good example that I look up on them, and that's why I want to become a teacher also.
How did you maintain discipline and determination despite the obstacles?
Okay, discipline. It is hard uh, to be in a workplace wherein you don't know anything. Okay, it's like going back to zero. After college, when I first had my first work, um, there are many questions. Okay, it's especially on the materials. What are the materials that we are using, and also the new persons. Uh, uh, my family really helps me a lot, and also guidance from Lord really helps me a lot.
Number 6. What is a key lesson you learned from your mistake that you'd like to share with others?
Mm. I learned that um, it is okay uh, to keep myself out from other people. Uh, I think that is one of my mistake. I keep on um, I kept on uh, I kept on being alone instead of interacting with other people and also going out with them. But as the time goes by, I learned how to talk to new people, talk to different people, and that's why it honed my interactive skills and social skills.
Number 7. How did you handle pressure and stress while navigating the path to success?
Okay, so in my job, there is a lot of stress, especially in uh, paperworks and also in my students. So prayer really helps me to keep on moving, keep on striving, and also keep on looking at the positive side. And also there are I have my family, my friends who also give positive comments and support me every time I have a stressful day or a hard day.
Number 8. What would you say was the most important decision you made in your career?
The most important decision that I made is that I go outside my box. Through that, I explore many things that I didn't know that I can do. I experience hosting a program. I experience hosting a um, graduation. And I didn't know that I can be a master of ceremony. That's why I think being outside the box or exploring outside your comfort zone uh, is really a good thing for me.
How do you use your experience to help or inspire others?
Okay, I inspire others by um, sharing my personal experiences and sharing um, my learnings in life, and also it is our job as a teacher to share good things and share inspiration to our students by encouraging them that they can do uh, everything. They can do everything despite of having a bad day, and also despite of challenges that they are facing.
The last is, what advice do you have for those currently facing challenges in their own careers?
Okay, one of my advice is that um, don't pressure yourself too much. Everyone has their own time, and also if you can do anything right now, you can achieve more things in the future. And also don't compare yourself to others, especially when you feel pressured or there are a lot of challenges that you are facing. Uh, you will have your time also. You will have your time, especially when you are asking for guidance through prayers, and also if you are talking with your family and also friends. That'll lessen your stress, or that'll uh, give solution to the challenges that you are